Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you guys this incredible 1/100 scale, the Legion of Thor from Hemoxian. Special thanks to Gundam Hangar for the collaboration. Gundam Hangar is an online store that offers nationwide shipping across Canada, and now they have expanded the shipping to the States. This kit comes with 26 runners and a total of 488 pieces. Some parts are pre-painted and also includes an LED light with a battery and water decals. Oh, forgot to mention the cape and the background board for a simple diorama. The inner frame is made of ABS plastic, which is tougher and more durable than PVC. And I also heard LEGO uses the same material. The kit is mostly ungated, but even with that, I've spent so much time cleaning the nubs. There's an on-off button on the top of the head for the LED light. Some of the fitting are so tight that I have to snap them with pliers. To keep the video more engaging, I left out some of the repetitive steps. This kit uses a lot of locking rotation joints with semicircular pegs that twist into matching sockets. The parts lock in securely while allowing rotation. I think these locking rotation joints are great because they prevent loose joints and keep parts from falling out, usually found in third-party model kits. It comes with clear orange and clear pieces that you can use or swap between. There's an opening in the back where you can attach the backpack to the adapter. You don't have to worry about water decals with third-party kits. They're all included. I really like this kit, especially for its cool and muscular design that stands up with impressive details. And it's a solid kit, and I'm surprised how it could stand on its own without a problem. Thanks for watching today, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Your feedback is always appreciated, so feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next one.